Our summer camp program has grown tremendously. We've crossed some magical milestones. In the beginning, we started out with children who were not exposed at all to the first LEGO League's EV3 autonomous robot. And over the last 4.5 years, we've attained the level of expertise. The EV3 comes to us in various models today. First LEGO League has offered a new model that's pretty cool. It's called the Everstorm, and it has a new sensor, an infrared sensor.
So right here is the EV3, and right here is the color sensor, and the port view is actually in the bot. What I like about the EV3 is like it has cool wires that connect to the brain of the body, and there's also other cool sensors like the touch sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, and all kinds of sensors.
I like working with the sensors because it's really fun to work with them because they're all so different from each other. One of them is about colors, one of them is about how you touch them, and once you put them on the robot, it does different things to the robot.
I like working on varieties of projects, but definitely I look forward to working on projects that include sensors. We're working on a project called Community Service, and basically we have to bring it around a neighborhood and then bring it back to base.
One thing that I do find a challenge is just making the kids comfortable, right? Programming and coding is a very intimidating thing, and most people will have this assumption that it's only a few people can do it, which is not true. Many people can do it, and if you start at a young age, you can master the most programming languages very early. So I would just getting them comfortable and just throw away that assumption. And once they do that, then they start programming very easily.
What I enjoy most about this summer camp is watching the kids explore and learn all these great, wonderful things about robotics. As a coach, you kind of have to step back and allow the students to explore and just learn on their own. Being able to just watch them grow from not knowing anything about robotics to being able to come in and explain to me, this is really exciting for me.
First, the kids have nothing to do in the summer, so this is a great place for them to learn, have fun, and not staying home and do electronic stuff. So I think this is a great to give them opportunity to get out of the house and learning.
Robotics is the epitome of STEM. It includes science, technology, engineering, math, and that's what interests our children. We are developing the soft skills necessary for their future success in not only their academic careers, but their careers that follow.
For more information about the Stafford Robotics team and their summer camp, please visit www.staffordmsd.org. For Summer Magazine, I'm Raquel Sims.